How are you guys? Okay, so with today, we're getting into our integers and operations. So this topic that we're in is focusing on adding and subtracting with our integers. So we got into the definitions at the beginning. We got into just the whole visualizing the number line that's there. And again, another day in which you're going to really rely on your visualization skills as into is the answer realistic. So here we go. First of all, you do have notes here. 2.7 adding integers, but they're optional. Okay, so I say that because we all come with different backgrounds. Some of you are going to need them. Some of you are not going to need them. So 2.7, if after you do today what we walk you through, you're like, yeah, you need to jump in those notes because you need a very formal approach to doing it. So what we are doing, like we said, is we are adding integers. So we're actually going to have you bump into IXL. Obviously, seventh grade, log yourself in, and we're looking at your C1, C2, C3, C4. So they're just going to kind of walk you through little basic questions here at the beginning. It's going to be positive, negative, kind of leading up to actually doing the adding with the integers. The goal here is 70, all right, for all four of them. Yes, all four of them. But there should be fast ones. All right. If you're spending an extended period of time on this, then you need to shut it down and go back and take care of those notes that we just talked about. So again, C1, C2, C3, C4. All right. No calculators here. Defeats the purpose. All right. Of you knowing your integer rules and whether you add and subtract, that kind of stuff. So keep that in mind. And then so we got notes. We got C1 through C4. Yeah, there you go. So today's one of those days in which we're kind of pushing you into the water. We're going to see what you already know. And then when you guys come into class, you'll be able to, again, work individually on questions. Now, you do have notes. The notes are on the subtraction. All right. Subtraction is a little bit more a form of rule. Subtraction is going to be a little bit more because what we're going to learn here is that there's really no such thing as subtraction, right? It's really an addition problem in disguise. I know. All right. So we'll certainly be spending time with our integers because this is one of those topics that just never goes away moving forward. So it is a very important one there. All right. Yeah. Check the homework website. Make sure you're taking care of everything. Quiz corrections, all those things. All right. We'll see you guys.